But you want to restore firemen and police positions in Canton or not?
Yes.
Okay, how are you going to do that in light of the money situation?
Well, the first example is $1.2 million for the radio room versus $780,000. For those of people that read your blog, that can buy a few policemen right there at $400,000. Right there's a savings. The building department, based on what we did with 911, the building department can be a savings. The health department can be a savings. The building department and part of the health department operates off of our general fund. The money's got to come from somewhere in the general fund. I'm advocating, let's start pulling resources together so we can save this money to hire to hire policemen and to hire firemen to make our community safer.
Do you have any numbers in mind?
Well, I know, for example, the 911 is $400,000 savings.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm talking about the number of additional firemen and police.
I know that I've had conversations with the police and fire department, and right now they're concerned because not only do we have attrition, some of our policemen are operating on a grant that is going to be gone in 2012, and I think it's the will of this Congress and it's the will of this new state legislature that we're not going to see a whole lot of these grants being renewed. So our concern is we won't even be able to keep what we have. My concern is that I would like to hire as many people as possible. I want to fund safety before I fund the mayor's staff. I want to have police on the street before we hire communications directors. And I think that's an important message to send to the community.
Well, knowing what you know about our City of Canton finances and assuming that we have a mayor Smuckler and we can eliminate, or you can eliminate, some of the barriers to consolidation. And so with that in mind, project. How many additional policemen, how many additional firemen can the citizens of Canton expect?
Every last one that I can swing every dollar to. I'm not going to be able to sit here and tell you it's that finite of a number because, as I stated to you, I want to hire more than we have now. I also might be replacing, if I win, those 8 policemen that are on a federal grant right now. We're going to have to find the money somewhere from 2012.